Hi students, welcome to Jupillarity Degree and PG College video lectures, Computerized Accounting, Unit 5, MIS Reports. Last classes we discussed about how to create company, how to create accounting groups, accounting lectures, how to create stock groups, stock items, units of measure, go down creation, and also voucher entry we discussed. Later, we thoroughly understood about receivables management as well as payables management. In receivables management and payables management, we discussed about new reference, against reference, on account, advance. So after completion of voucher entry, we would like to generate reports. Reports play an important role in decision making. Management is always depends upon information for decision making. That information will be generated through reports by Tally. Those reports are with unit. We are going to discuss about unit 5, that is MIS reports. MIS reports, Tally is generating MIS reports of 4 types. Those are accounting reports, financial reports, inventory reports or stock reports, management control reports. What are the items comes under accounts reports are reports of accounts. Different accounts reports are generated. Trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet. These are accounting reports. Inventory reports are stock summary, stock items. Each item we can open and see what is the balance. Godown summary, what are the items stored in a particular godown. We can generate movement analysis, stock movement analysis, stock aging analysis, aging report also we can view in this Tally. Next, decision making reports for management comes under financial reports. Those reports are cash flow statement, funds flow statement, ratio analysis. And another one is management and control reports or management control reports, receivables turnover, branch accounting, flexible period accounting, budgeting and control, cost centers, profit centers with multiple cost categories, scenario management. So there are 4 types of reports generated by Tally. One is accounting reports, inventory reports, financial reports, management and control reports. In this lecture, we will understand what is MIS, what are the components of MIS, what may be the advantages and disadvantages, and we will take a practical problem from question bank and lively we can do the problem, and we generate 2 types of reports. Those are accounting reports as well as inventory reports. What exactly the MIS is? Management Information System is a computer system. Once the computers were introduced in India and data is prevailing a major role, storage of data, management of data, retrieving data, analyzing the data is having a major role in information processing. So, computer system consisting of hardware, software that serves as a backbone of an organization's operations. To take anyone, whether manufacturing industry, service industry, whatever it may be, banks comes under service industry, manufacturing industry, service industry, and marketing. Okay, so whenever you will find there is a computer which is nothing consists of hardware and software. Our Tally is a software which is loaded in computer, that is hardware, which is nothing but MIS consists of hardware and software. So what exactly MIS will do? MIS gathers the data from multiple online systems. When there is a beauty of artificial intelligence is there, that beauty of artificial intelligence is whatever the information you are browsing on browser, how frequently you are browsing a particular information, it will gather that information and it will send either videos or information regarding that item to your mail or to your notifications or videos. Those will be sent. Suppose we are producing video lectures for yourself for reference and listening purpose. So for producing the videos, what we will try to do, we will search the applications what are available in Google Store, okay, or Apple Store, Apple App Store. We will find out. So, and when we typed about video lectures or which are the apps available, which are the apps useful for making the videos, screen recorders like that. So more frequently I am searching for video recording or screen recorder. So next time what the computer will do, it will send, it observes that I am searching for screen recorders or screen recorder editors, video editors like that. So it will collect my information and it will continuously send relevant information to my Facebook, mail and WhatsApp, Facebook, mail and some other online platforms where I am logged in. So MIS gathers the data from multiple systems. Later it analyzes. What analysis it made? I am very much interested in video making software. What report it's generated? A particular mail ID person is interested in video making, and that will be helpful for the people, apps, manufacturers will send, if you download this one per month 900 or per month 800, they will market. So one email ID they got from this data, that email ID person is interested. So that company will take a decision. Okay, this is a small example. Many even Amazon, you take Flipkart, you take, whenever your browser mouse is moving around on the screen, where your mouse pointer is there, each movement is catched and recorded, analyzed, report to the either Amazon, Flipkart, whoever it may be, for a decision making purpose. That is the advantage of MIS. The purpose of MIS is improved decision making. Old system is there, very old system. It will collect the information from the consumers or the users on offline mode. That information is processed, making into tables and calculating it in the data, analyzing the data by using statistical tools, and that will be reported for decision making. Presently, data collection is online, analysis is online, presenting the report is also online. You please check your YouTube, okay, whatever the videos you are interested, first they will appear. Okay, so it is, MIS helps for improved decision making and provide up to date accurate data as well as a variety of data. Components of MIS. What are the components of MIS, Management Information Systems? Capturing the data. So COVID-19, many people, the companies or the diagnostic centers, will take the samples from the patients. It is capturing the data. And our laptop, we will provide data through keyboard or the scanners like that. Data is captured. That data is processed. Medical information technology is there that will do a lot with the analysis. That data is processed, blood sample, CBP, whatever it may be, that data will be processed and that is stored in a particular file and it will be used for retrieval and will be given for printout or propagation purpose. So components of MIS are input data, that is capturing the data, processing the data which is taken into, that data is stored. Earlier, storage is a big problem for the companies. Now, cloud storage is available for all the companies for data storage. And because of the cloud storage, information retrieval will become very easy. Pan-India or globally you can retrieve your information, company information, either through mobile or your laptop, wherever, whenever you need it. That is the information retrieval. And information propagation. Once the information was available, that can be published in different modes to make available to the people, those who are concerned, either public or government or shareholders, whoever it may be. Okay, these are the components of MIS. So types of information systems: transaction processing systems. Just to understand your Google Pay, it is doing transactions. NEFT, bank NEFT, RTGS, those are also transaction processing systems. It will take an input, process and generate output. Transaction processing systems. Some examples are given to you. Payroll in the sense, it is managing the HR or the employees database, that is called payroll. Inventory control, you people know, you have very frequently you are searching the items in Amazon. So whenever you open Amazon, it will ask you to enter your PIN code number. Once you enter the PIN code number, it is telling you that delivery will take 1 day, or a delivery of particular item which you are interested, it will take 2 days or 2 hours, like that. Imagine how it is processing. According to your PIN code number, your location will be identified, and from location to the nearest store, wherever it will be, nearest store will be linked. In that nearest store, particular item is available or not matched. If the particular item is matched, then how much time taken from the store to the PIN code number address, immediately it will display, is nothing but transaction processing system. And coming to the second type is decision support system. Decision support system, which will help us in your cancer screening, MRI, okay, CT scan. For medical technology I am telling, or in our balance sheet, in our tally, which help us for making decision by the management. So what it will do? It will take information and store in database, generate reports, and will be provided management. Reports are provided to the management for decision making or for decision making. Then another one is executive information systems. Exclusively the higher management people will take this information or usage this one. Those are inputs, external data. External data is there. That external data as well as internal data, both will be processed and will be processed and generate reports, and reports will be make available for the highest people for generation. Recently, today, recent information is that Government of Telangana brought a new Revenue Act. It come across with there are 16,000 pending cases are belongs to the land disputes. So that is formal data. Informal data, there are many clashes are coming between the partners or the relatives regarding the title deeds of the data. So formal information and informal information was processed and generated the reports, and report was given to the higher authorities for making a decision. Okay, new act which is giving a freedom for the farmer to transfer his title deeds. So here this information, executive information system, helps the organization to take policy decisions. Then coming to our MIS, management information system. Management information system consists of people, hardware and software. So I am recording the video with the help of people, with the help of software, which OBS software I am using, with the help of laptop. After that, I will upload into YouTube, which will be help you to refer, and you people, by seeing this video, you people may understand how to generate the accounting reports as well as inventory reports. You may be learned or you may be used for further decision making or whatever it may be. So components of MIS are people, software and hardware, and that data will be processed, collected and processed and generate the reports. Okay, so these are the four types of information systems are there. One is transaction processing system, another one is decision support system, another one is executive information system, MIS, management information system. Advantage of MIS provide relevant information for facilitating planning and timely control. Very advantage of data is make a planning. Okay, planning and also use it for control. That is the advantage. Planning and control is possible through the available relevant information only. Data is available in summarized form, which minimize information loading. Okay, listen students, when I want to take a physical verification of stock of a Amazon store, which is a big one, is it possible? I want to take a physical verification as well as report, stock report I want to generate, but within a fraction of minutes or seconds it can be generated. How much is stock available in a particular Opal godown of Amazon? Simple. So a summary report is generated with the minimum time. That is ease in measuring performance, helps in encouraging decentralization in an organization. Okay, many companies are then they are decentralized their work or activities. Because of the decentralization helps the organization for reducing their burden on the whole burden on the other companies. Then what it will do? It is having the Reliance stores. You look at that one. Whatever the transaction happened in Reliance store, updated up to the final level or updated in their database in cloud. Okay, and improve coordination as all departments are aware of course of action or any change in plan. Due to the beautiness of cloud computing, what is happening at any place will be known by the other people. Earlier, what is happening in one departmental store may not be known by the other departmental store, and companies are having dashboards. In that dashboard, it is possible to know about that one. Okay, Delhi is introduced a dashboard of COVID-19 and what are the cases coming up, where they are in particular hospitals, how many were discharged, how many beds are empty. That is dashboard is displayed. Dashboard is a display. Okay. So the plan or action plan, course of action known by all the people with this MIS. Enhance quick, cheap and efficient communication. Once the software is installed, that software will help the organization to process data throughout. So it make the organization to take quick reports, and software is used for all the organizations and organizations at all levels. So cost will be less, cheap, and also it is a computer. It provides efficient communication or efficient reports. Bring down linguistic, geographical and cultural boundaries. The Tally software is available in multilingual. Tally software can be used in globally. Tally software is also working in Dubai companies in their own languages. So that is the advantage of MIS. 24/7, many servers are there and data will be available in 24/7. Automation helps in saving time and papers. Okay, automation means capturing the data, processing the data, generating the reports. Disadvantages: constant monitoring of sensitive data, and there is a problem arising in credit cards and Google Pay, all these. The problem is you should not save Indian people's sensitive data in foreign servers. And in Zoom also, you please observe the links from Singapore or somewhere else. And if you open the Zoom now, you will get information that data is connected or the network is from the Indian servers. So Government of India brought a rule that Indian people data should be saved in Indian servers. That is a sensitive, data is a sensitive one. So that's why companies should have to go for again investment of installing the servers. Security issues. Okay, many people, the problem with this information technology is security, hacking. Okay, a person who is living in Khammam district, his bank account is hacked and amount is withdrawn in Delhi. That person reported in Khammam Andhra Bank manager. So that is his account is hacked. Quality of output depends upon quality of input. When I give salaries account data to cash, computer will accept that entry. If I give salaries cash account data to salaries, computer will accept the same. So the wrong entry, second entry is wrong entry. Output is depends upon the input. Okay. Implementation of MIS is costly as requires hardware, software and training of human resources. Which it is a present situation, it is not a costly one because many players are there. Even mobiles are in our hand where we can enjoy with the MIS. Okay, training is also presently is not required. Even layman is also using touch screen phones. Lack of flexibility to upgrade software, so that is also one of the important disadvantage. You want to upgrade the software, then you have to upgrade the hardware also, which is needed investment. Takes only quantitative data. Quality aspects were not looked at by management information system because it will capture the data, process the data, generate the reports. That's all. No worry, no issues at all. Okay. Increase unemployment because of usage of computers. Unemployment may increase. One side of the coin is employment was increased due to MIS because trained professionals are needed. Effectiveness decrease due to frequent changes in top management and their policies. So data provides the management to think, frame new policies. Because of that, then the effectiveness may be decreases. And we in this lecture we generate reports of accounting as well as inventory by doing the problems. Okay, 4 types of reports are there. So any doubts you can share in WhatsApp. Any confusions? No confusions at all. You can share in WhatsApp and you can discuss in live classes. Bye students. Bye.